Bye. Yeah, what's that? Whoa. Ito yung mga kainan, no? Kainan.
Ayun ba ya?
What else? This one was it?
Yeah, you put alcohol first. Free alcohol.
That's the entrance to the zoo. Later we're gonna go. There's money, but the ticket is free. Whoa! Look at that! Iguana, who's the iguana? Who's that? Thank you. Wow, elephant, boy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Zebra, zebra, zebra. Chimpanzee, 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 chimpanzee,
You see animals? Where?
Owl, animal, animal, and dinosaur. What is it? Chameleon, chameleon. Chameleon, chameleon, chameleon. What's this? Oh, what's that? Otter. That's an otter. Z. Bibigyan mo rin yung mga alin. Otter. 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 Hey, what is this?
Otter, you know. You can see it there.
Otter. Otter. Otter.
Nice animal. It's like Peep and Pop, right? Peep and Pop.
Otter. 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 Black panther. 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 What's that? Where am I? Where am I? Okay.
You have a ranger?
Happy. 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 Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Let's find more animals.
No, don't touch the plants. No, no, no.
Even I think this is the egg. What's that? Pelican.
What's that, see? What's that?
What's that?
Pelican.
Pelicans.
Like this. Pelican. Pelican. Can you do it again? You show pelicans? Get off.
You're taking a bath.
What's that? Up there.
Still here, the brown one. What's that? Is it a monkey? How many monkeys? Buwan ng mga narito.
the animals.
Huh?
Let me see the
Did
animals.
you see the animals? Oh,
I don't.
you look for the other animals.
What do you mean? I don't know. It's safe for daddy. It's safe for daddy. It's safe for daddy. It's safe for daddy.
Careful, Daddy.
It's safe for daddy.
Be careful daw.
It's safe for daddy.
Let's go to the roads like this.
How does it feel? Does it feel wet and slimy or smooth and dry? Does it feel wet and slimy or smooth and dry? Okay,
There's a peacock.
so actually the snake feels smooth and dry. Many people have misconception that the snakes are actually wet and slimy due to
Hindi na,
their
ulang pa naman
shiny layer of skin.
Ay, may
And
feeding,
this
wala
skin
na.
is actually
Kahit
made
anong
up of
feeding.
bracket scales, which
3:45.
is simply made up of our nails and hair.
Ha?
Everything our volunteer has done a great job in being brave. Everyone is give applause to both of them. And because of that, they get picture in the snake. Huh? Amaya? Look at mommy. Okay, with that, thank you so much.
Let's all give them a big round of applause for being so brave. Yes. Alright, one more important point. If you find yourself buying a fancy snakeskin bag or snakeskin shoes,
It's a snake.
remember that this is not what it's made from. This is what it is used instead. The skin of a real living snake. Every year, countless snakes are being caught into the fashion industry and more are being trapped into the wildlife pet trade. So let us all find ways to be more ethically fashionable and a more humane way to choose a pet. But I think it's time for these snakes to head back home. So everyone, let's say bye-bye to the snakes.
As we continue to venture in the wild, everyone, let's look up to the skies. This bird can be found from all around Africa. Let's welcome our trumpeter hornbill, Shadi. Anyone can see her?
There's a bird. There's a bird.
Anyone? Okay, because she's coming from behind me. Anyone can spot her? Yeah? Yes. In many cultures, seeing a hornbill can actually consider as good luck. And Shadi here actually participated in a study by a group of researchers, ensuring that they are actually
see
extremely
it?
intelligent and they can solve problems.
They're flying.
Yes. So, as you guys can see, these hornbills have a very unique flight pattern, which is a combination of slow deep beats and short glides. So everyone, I would like to remind all of you, we'll have birds flying all over our amphitheater. So, remember, sometimes this bird might drop something nasty from above. So if you're looking up, please remember to close your mouth or move aside. Another fun fact is that sometimes these hornbills, they are very, very vocal birds, and they will talk, 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 and won't stop talking. So I want all of you to listen how Shadi here sounds like. Ooh, did you guys see that?
See that?
What does it sound like to you?
It's perching on the
Crying baby.
Yes. So Shadi here sounds a little bit like a crying baby, and then cars on top of her beat helps her amplify those unique calls that she makes. Now, hornbills are also omnivores, which means they're flying. Wow! Great! And we got Shinara relatives are safe due to habitat loss. Our conservation arm, Mandai Nature, helps support conservationists and communities all across this region, providing support to protect these incredible birds. So thank you, Shade. Bye-bye.
Bye, Shadi.
Bye-bye.
The next bird we are about to meet looks rather intimidating, but is actually gentle and non-aggressive. They like to spread their wings right out in the early morning sun to soak some feel-good rays. Everyone, let's do a total vote and welcome our beauty function tighter.
They're all top. They're all. They're
Beauty
big.
functions are actually scavengers, and tiger here has remarkable sense of smell, which helps us to see how carcasses found below the forest game.
Something under the
Don't you notice they are perfectly adapted for scavenging? In fact, their stomach acid is so strong, they can digest just about anything.
No, you
So
can
the
go
space
down.
is enough food, they help us do some quick paper by preventing the spread of diseases like tuberculosis and rabies without it. So thank you so much, Titan. Have a good job today. Bye-bye. Alright guys, just for your information, that bird over there is our peacock, and he is not part of the show. He's a free-ranging bird and sometimes he like to join in on our show. Okay, before we meet our next few friends, I have a success story to share with all of you. So please.
The English best view to ask you, how will action ceremony? And you have learned about this by calling to this in your country.
That's right, with each ticket that you buy helps us support over 40 conservation projects all across Southeast Asia. So let's all be mothers and caring for our planet and our amazing beautiful animals that live here.
Oh, what's that? Wow!
Wow!
Wow, parrot!
Flamingo!
There's a parrot!
Flamingo!
Video mo siya? Wow, parrot! Hi, parrot!
It's so loud. It's so
Welcome to the end of our presentation into the world. Now we are on the class of the crew that made this presentation possible. My name is Leo.
Parrot!
Have a nice day.
It's so loud.
Bye.
Yay! Bye-bye! Stay here, stay here! Say bye-bye! You did it! There's Lemur! Oh, hi, Lemur! Wanna touch the snake? There, oh. Wanna touch him? Oh, let's touch the snake. You want? Let's go. Okay, touch the snake down. Oh, let's go touch the snake. Okay, you ready? Excited? Oh, let's go. There! What's that? Peacock. There you go. There's a stork. Hi, stork. Say hi, wave. Hmm? Oh, those are the two black birds. We feed them, right? Two parrots there, oh. What's the color? Huh? What's the color of the two parrots? Hmm? See them? Oh! Oh, you're fighting. Hi, Snake. Hi, Snake. You touch him, touch him. Yeah. You like it?
Good.
Hi, Snakey. Yeah, say hello to the snake. Hi, Snake. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Snake.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Hello, hello. Yeah. Go there. Tiger Tram.
If you wish to have the full Singapore Zoo experience, we recommend you to also explore our park on Ascent,
You can see them from
We
here.
provide our animals with the best possible care, from nutrition, veterinary care, naturalistic housing, to enrichment activities to keep them physically and mentally healthy. If you look towards your right, you'll see the Shaw Foundation Amphitheatre. This is where you can enjoy our animal presentations twice daily, weather permitting.
An owl.
You get to meet our animal stars and be awed by their natural behaviors. If you go up the slope on your left, you will reach Primate Kingdom.
Wow.
This is where
Primate
our
Kingdom.
monkeys and lemurs play, rest,
There's the
and
monkey.
forage in their naturalistic exhibits.
Wow.
Discover a wide range of trees, wild grasses, gingers, palms, and bamboos that are planted to provide lush greenery and to recreate the primate's natural habitat. Welcome aboard. This tram ride takes you on a delightful journey into the world of wild places.
Oh, what's that?
We're approaching elephants of Asia. Situated next to the banks of the Upper Seletar Reservoir, this exhibit is home to our herd of 5 female Asian elephants. Each of them has unique appearance and personality. Make sure you get to know them by reading about our herd of elephants at the exhibit. To promote natural foraging behavior, our keepers have installed multiple food puzzles around the exhibit. One even dispenses tasty treats like various types of nuts at random intervals. Try spotting these
There's the
devices when you
monkeys.
visit our elephants. In the wild, Asian elephants are facing severe threats from habitat encroachment, which results in human-elephant conflicts. Through our conservation arm, Mandai Nature, we support various field projects to mitigate human-elephant conflicts in Southeast Asia. We are approaching Tram Stop 2. From this tram stop, you may wish to explore Primate Kingdom on foot, or to view the Hamadryas baboons at the Great Rift Valley of Ethiopia. We have reached Tram Stop 2. Remain seated while the tram is in motion. Keep your hands and the rest of you inside the vehicle. On your right is our herd of white rhinoceroses. Welcome to our tram ride around Singapore Zoo. We are leaving Tram Stop 2. For your safety, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. Keep your hands and the rest of you inside the vehicle. On your left is the Great Rift Valley of Ethiopia, home to Hamadryas baboons, Nubian ibexes, and rock hyraxes.
There's kangaroo.
We are crossing into Australasia zone on your right. Try
Kangaroo.
spotting a tall, flightless bird with black feathers and a bright blue neck and face.
Wow.
This is the
Sorry.
cassowary. Its
Cassowary.
hair-like
Where's the
feathers
cassowary?
allow rainwater to roll off the bird's body instead of weighing it down. This is useful for living in rainforests. Besides the grey kangaroos and agile wallabies from Australia, you get to see the tree kangaroos from Papua New Guinea. Tree kangaroos have powerful and strong limbs built for climbing. Their rubbery soles and curved claws allow for a better grip on trees. The Goodfellows tree kangaroo is severely threatened in the wild. We work with other zoos to pair genetically compatible tree kangaroos for breeding. In this way, we help to sustain a healthy population of the tree kangaroo under human care. We are proud to share that our female Goodfellows tree kangaroo, Nupella, has given birth to 2 joeys.
Joey?
Another animal which we have bred successfully is the pygmy hippopotamus. Pygmy hippos are only about half as tall as their cousins, the Nile hippos, and only a quarter of their cousins' weight. The path on your right will bring you to Asia's apex jungle predator, the tigers.
Oh, we're going to the tiger.
With the strength of about 30 men, healthy adult tigers can take on prey weighing up to 1,000 kilograms. Poaching, habitat loss, and human-tiger conflicts have driven the Malayan tiger to the brink of extinction, with fewer than 300 of them left in the wild. We work directly with the Malaysian Conservation Alliance for Tigers, or MICAT, to protect tigers and their homes. You can participate in its catwalk program and join forest rangers on their anti-poaching patrols. To find out more about our contribution to tiger conservation and other projects, please visit www.mandainature.org.
The gray one, look at this here. You see it? Yeah. Letter? R. No, there's the coyotes. Oh, the hyena. Oh, so many. Oh. Ano kung tumawid yan dito? Yeah. We're gonna roll now.
Your hands and the rest of you inside the vehicle.
Oh, there,
On your right is our herd of white rhinoceroses. Rhinos are well known for their horns, which they use for posturing, territorial battles, and self-defense. We are very proud of our ongoing successful breeding program for white rhinos. We have sent many of our rhinos to overseas zoos to increase their number and diversify the rhino gene pool under human care. Back on your left is the world's fastest land animal. The cheetah has a flexible spine, long legs, sharp claws, and foot pad ridges to help it reach an incredible speed of 115 kilometers per hour.
Zebra.
Oh, there's monkeys there.
That's
Monkey.
Zebra.
There's monkey.
Zebra and the monkey.
Oh, there's a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Oh, there's deer. Oh, Oh, deer.
Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, with adult males reaching a height of 5.5 meters. Giraffes use this height to reach leaves of tall trees that other animals are not able to do so. Their long and flexible tongue allows them to strip leaves from branches.
Lion.
Our keepers use a pulley system to lift fresh leaves to a height that is natural and comfortable for our giraffes to feed. If you look across the tram route, you'll see our African lion exhibit. Lions live in social groups known as prides, made up of one or more mature males, several closely related females, and their young. The lionesses do most of the hunting, while the male protects the pride from hyenas and rival males. Lions are also the only cat that sports a mane. The mane is believed to protect the male's throat during territorial fights with rival males.
A picture.
Wow.
So high.
We will be coming across Kids World on your right. Kids World is where children can discover the wonderful world of animals and learn how to care for them. You and your family can befriend the amazing animals that live here through animal interactions and fun activities. Then, explore the play trees and splish splash for nature-inspired play. Kids World is also the Ranger Buddies base camp, where children take on missions to practice life skills and learn to be a hero for themselves, animals, and the planet. There's always something happening at Kids World. Coming up on your left is Fragile Forest. One of the highlights here is our 20,000 cubic meter walk-through biodome that is home to a wide array of animals from rainforests around the world. Your journey starts from the forest floor, where frogs and invertebrates thrive. Walk through the butterfly aviary before you enjoy the songs of the forest, where our Malayan flying foxes and birds roost and feed. This is where you are most likely to spot our ring-tailed lemurs and sloths.
That's not ate. I'm gonna go to the giraffe.
We're here. Okay.